Are you tired of your courier failing to deliver your packages? Had enough of missed delivery slips and trips to the post office? Then Fulfillment by Numinix is the only courier you should trust. Created by top web developer Numinix, the state-of-the-art Trebuchet Delivery system is guaranteed to get your package to you every time, whether you live on the first floor or the 41st floor. No need to worry about your carbon footprint. Numinix's Trebuchet Delivery system exclusively uses renewable resources, so you can always feel good that your online purchase isn't damaging the planet, just the occasional feline. In world-class cities, drones can easily invade your privacy. With our world-class catapult delivery system, you can prance in your birthday suit to your heart's content. And if you're not at home, we'll leave your package with a neighbor. Just don't forget to tell them to leave the window open. Next time you're ordering online, choose Trebuchet Delivery by Numinix. Trebuchet Delivery, because everyone's home is their castle. Fulfillment by Numinix is not responsible for broken packages, crashed kitties, broken windows, night shouting in your neighborhood, impromptu Renaissance festivals, or accidental discharges.